India, a journey through village life. Welcome to the heart of India. When people think of India, they often imagine crowded cities, towering skyscrapers, busy highways, and modern technology. But beyond the fast-moving cities lies another India, an India that is peaceful, traditional, and deeply connected to nature. This is the world of Indian villages, where millions of people continue to live simple lives shaped by hard work, family values, and centuries-old traditions. Today, we are taking you on a journey through rural India to discover what everyday life looks like in a typical Indian village. For many villagers, the day begins long before sunrise. As the first rays of sunlight appear over the fields, farmers are already awake. Roosters crow, birds begin to sing, and the village slowly comes to life. Unlike busy cities filled with traffic noise, mornings here are calm and peaceful. Agriculture is the backbone of village life. Many families depend on farming as their primary source of income. They grow crops such as rice, wheat, corn, sugarcane, mustard, vegetables, and fruits, depending on the region and the season. Farming is physically demanding work. Under the hot sun, farmers spend long hours preparing the soil, planting seeds, watering crops, and harvesting their fields. Even today, many villages continue to use traditional farming methods alongside modern equipment. Some farmers own tractors and machines, while others still rely on oxen, hand tools, and family labor. Every harvest represents months of hard work, patience, and hope. Life in the village is closely connected to nature. The changing seasons determine what crops are planted, when they are harvested, and how families earn their living. Good rainfall can bring prosperity, while droughts or floods may cause serious financial hardship. Despite these challenges, villagers continue to work with determination because farming is not just a profession, it is a way of life. Family plays a central role in rural India. It is common for several generations to live under one roof. Grandparents, parents, children, and relatives often share the same home. Family members support each other through every stage of life, whether working in the fields, raising children, preparing meals, or caring for elderly relatives. Children in villages usually attend local schools. Many walk long distances every day to receive an education. While educational opportunities have improved over the years, some rural schools still face shortages of teachers, classrooms, and learning materials. Even so, many parents encourage their children to study, believing education offers hope for a brighter future. Women contribute enormously to village life. In addition to caring for their families, many women work in the fields, collect water, prepare food, care for livestock, and manage household responsibilities. Their work often begins before sunrise and continues until late at night. Meals in Indian villages are usually simple, fresh, and homemade. Families often cook using ingredients grown on their own farms or purchased from nearby local markets. Rice, wheat bread known as roti, lentils, vegetables, milk, yogurt, and seasonal fruits form the foundation of many daily meals. Fresh spices add rich flavor to traditional recipes that have been passed down through generations. Unlike processed foods commonly found in large cities, village meals are often prepared from fresh ingredients harvested only hours earlier. Livestock also plays an important role in rural life. Many families keep cows, buffaloes, goats, chickens, or sheep. These animals provide milk, eggs, transportation, fertilizer, and an additional source of income. Caring for livestock is part of the family's daily routine. Water remains one of the biggest challenges in many villages. Some families have access to clean running water, while others must walk considerable distances to collect water from wells, hand pumps, or community taps. Access to reliable drinking water has improved in many parts of India, but challenges still remain in some rural communities. Electricity has also expanded significantly across rural India in recent years. However, power interruptions can still occur in certain areas, especially during extreme weather or periods of high demand. Healthcare is another important issue. While many villages now have primary health centers, hospitals are often located in nearby towns or cities. In medical emergencies, families sometimes travel long distances to receive specialized treatment. Improving healthcare access continues to be an important goal for rural development. Transportation in villages is very different from city life. While motorcycles have become increasingly common, bicycles, tractors, auto rickshaws, buses, and even walking remain important ways of traveling. Narrow roads connect villages to nearby towns where people buy supplies, sell crops, attend schools, or receive medical care. Local markets are full of energy and color. Farmers bring fresh vegetables, fruits, grains, spices, and handmade goods to sell. These markets are not only places of business, but also social gathering points where neighbors meet, exchange news, and strengthen community relationships. One of the greatest strengths of village life is the strong sense of community. People know one another personally. During weddings, festivals, harvests, or difficult times, neighbors often help each other without expecting anything in return. This spirit of cooperation creates lasting bonds that are difficult to find in many large cities. Festivals bring extraordinary joy to village life. Celebrations often include music, traditional dance, colorful clothing, delicious food, and religious ceremonies. Families clean their homes, decorate streets, and gather with relatives to celebrate together. These festivals preserve traditions that have been passed down for generations. Children spend much of their free time playing outdoors. Open fields become playgrounds where they play cricket, football, kabaddi, and many traditional games. Unlike city neighborhoods filled with traffic, village children often enjoy more open spaces and a closer connection with nature. Although village life appears peaceful, it also comes with many hardships. Income from farming can be unpredictable. Crop prices change, weather conditions become more extreme, and natural disasters such as floods or droughts can affect entire communities. Many young people move to cities in search of better education, employment, and financial opportunities. Even with these difficulties, many villagers choose to remain because the village represents more than just a place to live. It is their home, their history, and their identity. In recent years, rural India has experienced important changes. Improved roads, internet access, smartphones, digital payments, government development programs, and renewable energy projects have gradually transformed many villages. Farmers now use weather forecasts, online marketplaces, and modern agricultural techniques to improve productivity. However, traditional values remain deeply rooted. Respect for elders, hospitality toward guests, religious traditions, and strong family connections continue to shape everyday life. For visitors from around the world, Indian villages offer a completely different perspective on life. They remind us that happiness is not always measured by wealth or modern conveniences. Instead, happiness can also be found in meaningful relationships, honest work, shared meals, and a deep connection with the natural world. As we walk through these narrow village roads, watch farmers working in their fields, hear children laughing, and witness families living together, we discover a side of India that is often overlooked but truly represents the nation's cultural soul. Village life teaches patience, resilience, gratitude, and community. It is a lifestyle built on cooperation, tradition, and hope for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the villages of India. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more authentic stories from around the world. Until next time, thank you for watching.